Hey, what's up everyone? Bit me some back with another Hbar video. Right now I'm on the Hedera Hashgraph 1 hour time frame. So last night I made another video for you guys just pretty much explaining what was going on and us being inside of this tunnel or channel that we're in. I would say it's like a bearish flag. So if you notice the bottom left right here it shows bearish flag, two lines going up, and then after it breaks down. So that's what this tunnel is doing. So it was really after this little dump. This was another flag. If you caught that one, you're able to catch it going up. And now this flag is gonna probably break down. And if you notice, we did break down, hit this trend line perfectly, came back up. Now we're testing resistance again. So I do have this box here, this blue box. Just pretty much, it's a good supply zone. Like I said, it comes all the way to the back here, so that does let me know that that's important. That's why we, like I said, we broke it, came here to this supply zone. Now this is the decision area. This is where it's either telling us if it were to break, close outside, coming down. So since we didn't close anything underneath it, everything was above, we got that push back up. But then again, like I said, now we're at this resistance. So current price right now is 22.57. So yeah, if we get rejected from this box, we're definitely coming back down into this box. So yeah, this is the deciding area. This is where it's going to consolidate between. And while it's consolidating is when it's going to make up its next move. So like I said, these are the two major areas that it has to break through right now. So yeah, if we can't get through those, we're probably not going to go anywhere. I did make this yellow line kind of just predicting that we would go up and come back down, if you notice. So I mean, I did it a little bit over here, but if I just drag it this way, I wonder if that could be what's gonna play out. Because like I said, I knew it would consolidate a little bit this way, go back up to test this, and then come back down. So this was just a line I had made from yesterday's video. But like I said, I think I had it more just drawing it comes out a little bit further down that way. But I mean, if I move it this way now, I think I might be on track. But we'll have to see. Like I said, the good thing about these charts is there's always something new. So if you make a guess right now and it doesn't play out, that's fine. You got another guess coming up once new candles come out. So like I say, you can't go wrong if you just keep trying. So that's why I try to make a prediction every single day just to see if I'm right. I watch it back to see if what I said, if I was on track or if I was onto something. So just that's why I make these predictions, whether they're right or wrong. It's just an opinion. So like I said, I just want to give you an idea of what could be happening. I'm not telling you what is gonna happen. So yeah, that's why I say this isn't financial advice. This is just a personal opinion. And if you haven't yet, could you guys like and subscribe for me, please? We're trying to reach 30 subscribers, and we're at 28 right now. So we just need 2 more subscribers. So if you're those 2 lucky subscribers, you'll be my lucky 30 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. All right. So, but yeah. So, like I was saying about this line, is I'm thinking we were gonna come back up to this pot and get rejected. So let me see. Current price is 22.56. What we need to break is 22.60 for us to start pushing up. So we're 22.55 pretty much. So it's not far off, but like I said, that's when you know we're going up. Once you start seeing 22.66 and up. And if we start pushing down, we're going to need to see 22.38 to drop. 22.38. That's when you know we're dropping. And then if we break 22.38, then we're coming down to 22.22. And if we break 22.22, then the next level coming down is 21.79. And then that's where I see this. I'm not sure how I made this line, why I made it. Okay, so it's probably for the bottom of that support. So what I'm thinking is that, so since this is support now, it's going to come back down here, probably hit that, come back in here. Because I'm not sure if you guys seen it in a previous video. I'll explain it right now. So today, in yesterday's video, I made this chart. So yeah, so let me explain to all the new viewers who haven't seen this chart yet. So if you notice, this chart has a few blue lines on it. Every time we hit a blue line, we come down. Hit this blue line, come down. We hit this blue line, come down. So and as of right now, if you notice, this is the trend line that we need to stay above. So current price right now is 38,822. We need to stay above that pretty much, because that's right on the line. So this is what I'm thinking too. Could be looks like a shoulder. This could be a head possibly. And then it's gonna drop. And then it might hit that, and then that might be the time right now after this reversal. Could be the signal of the reversal. Who knows, but we have to keep an eye on that. But this is what I was saying about the blue lines, and this is on a Bitcoin 1-day chart. So on this chart, we're 1, 2, 3, 4 candles away from this next blue line. And like I was saying about all these other blue lines, every time we hit a blue line, we come down. So that's why I'm thinking this could be the left shoulder, this could be the head. We could even come all the way back up to that. And then once we hit this blue line, then that's when that's going to start forming. Possibly. So that's why I say in 4 days, which is March 2nd, we're going to see this next big move to see what happens. So I don't know, I just would definitely watch out for that. But yeah, let me get back to this other chart. I just wanted to point that out, that is something that I'm noticing. So in a few days, March 2nd, keep an eye out for that. And that's why I think if March 2nd is we're going to come down because we hit that blue line, then that means whatever we do right now, no matter what we do, even if we go up, once March 2nd comes, we're just going to probably come back down. So that's why in the last few videos I've been kind of, like I said, we're going to go up a little bit, but it's a good chance we might come down, because if that chart is telling me Bitcoin is going to come down, everything's going to come down with it. So I'm not trying to scare anybody. It's just a thing a chart that I came up with, and then until that day happens, is I won't know if it's true or not. So I just gotta, like I said, just keep an open mind and see what happens. But yeah, so we did break this flag though, and I guess this next wave probably is gonna be the retest. So if we retest this line right here, we're gonna have to come back up and break it. If not, we're gonna come back down probably to this line right here. So I just want to mention that. So yeah, I think that's what could be probably happening. Let me see on the 4-hour chart. Let me see the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we're pretty much, we just got to stay above. Have you noticed? I guess that line is the overall giant. This is why too, why I'm saying zooming out of Hbar, it's creating a giant bull flag pretty much. So what I'm thinking, this is just maybe possibly, since it is going to drop in the next, if it drops those days, we could come up or whatever, but we're going to come down and drop, and then that's when the next bull run is going to start, and we're going to move all the way up back to probably all-time highs. So like I said, we're creating a giant bull flag, so I would definitely watch out for that. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. A little bit more confirmation. So yeah, this was a drop. So after this pump, yeah, so yeah, that's kind of just my idea right now on this Hbar Hedera Hashgraph chart. So yeah, I'm thinking if we could at least close above this blue line, which is coming in around 22.55, we could be pushing up. But yeah, so this is where I think, like I said, we could be just, the next candle or two could just be pushing up to retest this guy to get rejected, because we're already, this long wick is letting us know we're getting kind of rejected from there. So we're probably not going to push up. So I guess this next candle, which is red, was probably the rejection possibly, because we couldn't push back up. So what that kind of tells me is the next few candles is probably going to ride down this. So yeah, next one's going to be here probably, and that's going to determine what's going to happen. And if we close underneath the line, then we're for sure coming down probably to this next section down here, and that section is around 20 cents. So I would definitely watch out for that. Let me check the RSI. So yeah, if the RSI, the stock is fairly high right now. It did cross at the top, coming back down. The RSI got this bounce off of the 50 line, so it did say we're going back up. And the MACD crossed down here, but it was a while ago, and now the volume is coming down on this. So it is working its way down. Or well, I guess if you think about it, I guess it is creating a bullish divergence, which is the price coming down and the MACD going up. So, well, no, okay, I guess not. Never mind. Because this price right here was going up, so it was following the MACD the same way. From here, yeah, no, that's not no bullish divergence. But yeah, so I think yeah, this next candle definitely is going to be the determining factor. So yeah, if you guys noticed, it's kind of hard to see with these a lot of lines, but there's a blue line right here that is the MACD. If you guys notice, I'm flashing it. The MACD is pretty much, if we're above it, we're going up. If we're down below it, we're coming down. So like I said, that is kind of like the trend that it's like I said, if we're above it, we're moving up. If we're down, we're going under it. So like I said, since we're above it, we could have got a rejection from that, and that's what's gonna pounce us back up. So yeah, that 20 moving average is just kind of that kind of thing. Alright, but yeah, that's the Hbar video. If you haven't done so, if you could like and subscribe, that way we could keep building this community, and it would really help out a lot. I appreciate everybody watching. If you guys get this video to 10 likes, I'll make a second video pretty much explaining what's happening once the time comes. So if this video could get 10 likes, I'll make another video later today. So I appreciate everybody watching. See you guys in the next video.